Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my earlier video that I shared a few hours ago with you, and this was the video by the way, I was showing you that after the completion of the Elliott wave structure on the daily time frame chart, Bitcoin was going through ABC correction of that Elliott wave structure. And now if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then this was the wave one, the impulsive wave one, and this was the correction wave two that was not retraced more than 100% of wave one. And this was the longest wave 3, and this was the correction wave 4, and this was the last wave 5. And after the completion of this Elliott wave structure, I was showing you the ABC correction of this Elliott wave. This was the correction wave A, B, and I was telling you that if this wave C is at least equal to wave 1, wave A, then we may hit $59,700. And let me just show you that measurement as well. This is the wave A, and if I place it here, then you can see that it is showing us the projection approximately at $59,700, and you can see that we have finally almost reached that level. However, wave C can be a longer one as well. And I was telling you that it is also possible that during the formation of this wave C, we may also hit the previous support of the triangle as well that was broken down on the daily time frame chart. This was the descending triangle that we have broken down, and the C correction wave can be more than the A wave. And if I measure this A wave, then you can see that at least it can be somewhere here, approximately at $59,700. Slightly above than that, we will have the resistance support of the previous triangle, or it can be more than that as well. Therefore, now there is a probability that soon we may see an attempt to break out this previous support of the triangle that is now working as a resistance. And by the way, here we have also found this short-term resistance at approximately $58,500 as well. That was previously breaking as support here. And now it is flipped into a resistance. Right now, the price is again trying to break it out. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very long-term up channel that is formed after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for flow key, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 20th of May, 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price then moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price then moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin. First of all, let me to show you this complete Elliott wave structure. To the downside, this was the wave 1. And this was the correction wave 2. This was the third wave, the longest wave. Then we had another correction wave 4. And this was another wave 5. And this was the ABC correction. And I was telling you that now, if this wave C is going to be at least equal to wave A, then we may hit the levels of $59,700. And you can see that we are almost there. And if it is going to be longer, then it can also hit the previous support of the triangle that is broken down on the daily time frame chart. By the way, before that, we will need to break out the short-term resistance that we have found here that was previously breaking at this support, and now it is flipped into a resistance. Right now, the price is trying to break it out. That is here at $58,500. You can see that we had a long spike up to $59,459, but move very close to this previous support of this triangle that can now work as a resistance. By the way, this support is approximately at $60,000. And by the way, after the completion of this ABC correction wave structure, the larger trend can be continued, and the larger trend is unfortunately to the downside. And if this trend will be continued, then it can happen that we may be rejected by this resistance or this previous support of the triangle as a resistance, and then the price then moves to the downside, and this trend to the downside will be continued. However, in my opinion, if the price then will be able to break out this previous support of the triangle that is now working, that can now work as a resistance, then we may see another big move to the upside, and we may see soon that the price and may try to break out this resistance, the previous resistance of the triangle that will be approximately at somewhere between $69,000 to $70,000. On a weekly time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big falling wedge pattern that I have been showing you in my so many previous videos when it was moving inside this bed, and I was telling you that now the movement is quite squeezed inside this bed, therefore at any time it can break it out. And after the breakout, our at least expected long-term technical target for this breakout will be here at the top of the bed. That will be approximately at $70,000, and you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target, and during this move to the downside we have formed another very huge and massive up channel. And this is the second week that the price line is now testing the support of this channel here. By the way, we have formed a double top, and after the formation of the double top we had a big drop up to the support of the channel, and we are also testing the lowest price level of the month of May 2024. That was at $56,500, still working as a support. And for example, if the price breaks down these two support levels, the channel support and this support, then it can also test this long-term support of $49,000 that had been previously working as a resistance here and as a resistance here as well. By the way, almost the same kind of move we have seen here from the month of April 2023 to the month of August 2023, when we formed this double top here. At that time, we found this support here that was previously working as a resistance here and here. And after that, it was flipped into a support that was approximately at $25,000. And after testing this support, the price line geared up. At the same time, it also tested the support of the channel and broke out this level where it formed this double top, and then we had a big rally to the upside. And same as like that, it is again dropped down at the support of the channel, testing this support. However, we also have another key support here at $49,000, but still it is moving at this support, and we have also formed a double top as well. By the way, this is a complete resistance zone that starts from $69,000. That was the highest price of the month of November 2021, and goes to $73,794. That is the point of rejection in the month of April 2024. Here, by the way, in the month of March 2024, we had the rejection by this resistance. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break it out. At the same time, you can see that stochastic has just entered the oversold zone as well. If the price breaks out this resistance zone and reaches the resistance of the channel, then it can this time hit the resistance of the channel somewhere here approximately at $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.